Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to download Trust Wallet app on your iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To download the Trust Wallet app on your mobile devices, just simply open the App Store. Once you open the App Store, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the icon for search. Tap on it. Now click on search bar. Over here, search for Trust Wallet. Once you search for it, you can see the icon for Trust Wallet, which you can see at the second option, Trust, Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the option for download icon over here. Tap on it. Once you click on it, your app will start to download. Once it gets downloaded, your app will appear at your home screen. So as you guys can see, Trust Wallet app has been downloaded on our iPhone device. Just simply tap on it. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna download Trust Wallet app on your iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.